This video will quickly cover what is in Maack's Godot game template and Godot menus template version 0.8.0. Check the description for a link to the latest version. The template's main scene is set to the opening scene. This scene fades images in and out while loading the next scene in the background. It then opens the next scene, which is the main menu. This version has animations for fading in the title and buttons. This main menu will have options depending on what scenes are connected. The exit button will hide itself for web builds where it often has unintended effects, whereas the play, options, and credits buttons are already connected to some example scenes that we can look at. Our options button is linked to a master options menu that can organize other menus under tabs. These settings in these menus are all linked to the user's config file, so they will persist between closing and reopening the game. There's some examples here of options a game could have. Any of these can be safely removed and have no impact on the game. It is also easy to add custom options by adding instances of the option control class. Our credit button hides the main menu and opens a interactable scrolling text. The credits read directly from an attribution.md file, and the parser supports web links to resources or personal websites. An example is provided with the expected markdown format. Clicking play loads the example game UI scene. Most things we talk about next are part of the extras folder of the game template specifically, so that will be covered in another video. Some things happening in the background as auto-load singletons are the app config, the scene loader, the music controller, and the UI sound controller. These handle syncing application settings to config files, asynchronous loading, fading background music, and attaching sound effects to UI controls. More details for these can be found in the project's README. So that is a quick breakdown of what is in the Godot game template and Godot menus template version 0.8.0. To find these packages or the components that make them up, search for Maaack in the Godot asset library. I'll cover installation and getting started in another video. Thanks.